Okay, back we come. Towel and a band, that's all we need. Towel or a band, not even and a band. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a bent over row. All right, so again, another exercise we do all the time. We're coming into our hinge position. Tension on that towel. Try and break that towel in half. And then from here, I'm just squeezing my elbows back behind my ribs, keeping the tension on the towel. Back and forth I go, trying to make sure that as I move, I'm not coming up tall, right? I don't want to pull myself up tall. And what's going to help me do that is keeping the tension on the towel, making sure there's absolutely no slack in the towel. With the band, same concept, comes around the forearm, no slack in the band. Pull your elbows back behind your ribs. Give yourself a little second at the top to really feel that squeeze, and you should get tons and tons of lats. All right, there's your rows.